Hello and welcome to Mechanic Manager. This is a demonstration of different user security, so different security levels for mechanics, administrators, etc. So the first thing you need to do is when you log in as an admin, you go into mechanics or employees, mechanic details. Let's create a new employee. We'll say his name's Bob. His first name is Bob. Philip, say. Okay, you can fill in the rest of the detail if you want. We'll save that. So that's saved. Now we'll go into security, user security. We'll select Bob here on the right hand side. There's Bob. We've got 3 people there. There's Bob. We'll give him a user ID of Bob. Okay, I'll put a password in there for him. So I'll just make the password 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. At the moment he doesn't have access to anything, so I'll give him access to invoice read and job card, say read, delete, update and create, and then I'll save that. So it's saved. So now we've got a new username Bob. So if I log off, sign out, and then log in with the user ID instead of admin, Bob. Okay, put the password in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so now if I go into invoicing and I try to save an invoice, he hasn't got access to update, delete or save. So it says the invoice exists. We'll say yes. You do not have access to this function. So Bob can't change an invoice. Okay, so that's security there. I'll show you again. So I go save. Since you want to override this invoice, yes. You don't have user access to this function. So it says there, you don't have user access to this function. So Bob can't, all he can do is read invoices. So I'll log out of there and log in as admin again. So I'll log in as admin. If I go into user security and click on find, select Bob, this time I won't give him any access to the invoice at all. So if I untick that, so he's got no access to the invoice. There's the invoice. He's got no access to anything. So the ones that are ticked are the access rights that he has. And then I'll save that. And then I'll log out from admin, and I'll go into Bob's account. So I'll type in Bob, put the password in, log in. So now if I try to go into invoicing, you don't have access to this function read. You can't even read an invoice. If I try to list the invoices, so you can't access anything. Nothing, you can't do anything with the invoice at all. Alright, so if I can't create an invoice, can't read it, can't look them up or anything like that. So yeah, that's a demonstration of the security, user access security within Trade Dynamics. Alright, so if you need any other type of security on any other functions, we can customize it. It can be customized to put security levels on different things like job cards. You might just want to be able, you might want to just be able to print them off or whatever you think that you need. We can do that for you. Thank you. Bye.